want to show you how to use an infrared camera to look for blocked circuits in an evaporator coil. We're looking at an infrared that is a Hvac camera attached to my iPhone. So this tube right here is the tube that is coming out of the evaporator. And what we're looking at is we want to see is this tube or this tube or this tube or the one up above it warmer than the others. So like right now you can see I've got about a 40-degree temperature there on that line, about a 40 up there on that one, about a 40 right there, and a 40 right there. Okay, so they're all about the same temperature. Okay, so it's hard to hold it still enough for you to see, but it literally is zooming in on. There's a 38. There's another 38 right there. And over here, let's see, where you at? Okay, I'm gonna get in on that one. I got 38 coming out, 39 coming out there. And on this one, 38 again. So all of my circuits feeding this common suction line right here are the same temperature, and they're all cool. Okay, so what we're doing is we're just having a chance to show you on camera how to use an infrared camera to make sure that each of the circuits is the same temperature. Okay, coming out of your coil. We're looking to see if any of them are warmer. In other words, a circuit that's not getting fed with enough refrigerant. So I use this same tool to look it up. It's like right now. This is my outdoor unit, and I'm coming in on it. This is my outdoor metering device. And this that's your outdoor DXB. And when you look at the temperature, I got 74, 73 coming out, and up top 75 going in, back down here 75. You can see that there is no temperature difference between the top and the bottom. Okay, it's hard to focus it on it and record this at the same time. But you can see it flash the temperature up on that blue line coming out, 75, 76, and it does it again up there. The temperature on the bottom is not much different in temperature, in or out. No restriction. So now we're going to look at the dryer. Okay, the dryer, I'm going to take a look at the incoming side. I got 81 degrees, 80 degrees, and the outgoing side. Alright, trying to get it to focus on 80 degrees right there on the line coming out. Alright, so you can use this to find out, is it colder here? 79, good solid picture. Come over here, 79, 80. It's not a temperature drop, so you've eliminated the dryer. Okay, great, let's go look at the other thing. Look at the service valve. Okay, we have a liquid service valve right here, believe it or not. There you go. And we're going to check in. I see 79. Out, 78, 79. We have no temperature drop. We're looking to find a liquid restriction. Okay, and we find that by a temperature drop. So here, I am on the liquid line leaving my unit. And I'm seeing 79. Okay. Now I'm going to back up. And I'm going to follow my liquid line out of my unit. Let's see if I can do this for you on the camera. There's my liquid line. If you follow it, it is coming all the way over here to my air handler. And we're bringing you over here to the air handler. Bear with me. Okay. And right here, we're back at there's my finger. All right. We're looking at the temperature line. It was 80 degrees, 79, 80. That is what it was outside at the condenser. So we don't have any temperature drop. We have not found any restriction in the liquid circuit to this point. We're trying to figure out, why do we have high superheat on our unit? Well, once again, we go back to the coil and we look at each of the circuits on the coil. All right, so we have temperature there. We have 40, 38, 37, 38, and then we're going to look at this other side here. Okay, we got 38, 38. All right, so all of the tubes coming out of my evaporator, here and here, here and here, none of them are restricted. If they were warmer than the others, it would indicate a circuit that's getting cheated of refrigerant. I just wanted to show you what it looks like on a camera. Now that I know I don't have any liquid restrictions, at this point, I can say my high superheat is caused by a TXB that is underfeeding. Okay, so there's your TXB, and I'm going to go ahead and simply just replace that to deal with my high superheat problem. See y'all.